there, welcome to Taking the Side Roads. I'm your host Blair with my faithful companion Jeremy, and today we're at... Like mailings. Like mailing a letter.
Free little library.
I guess they have one near us too. Doesn't come with free sanitation wipes though.
Honey for sale. Oh, we have a thing. The native.
Take a picture of that. So here's what we're looking for.
Things to look for.
It's like a game of what on this list doesn't go with the others.
One of these things is not like the others.
Mm-hmm.
It's an old Sesame Street reference.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the map. We are right here. And Bongo Land.
Oh, Henry Flagler.
Just down here, there's old pictures.
Postcard, yeah. These are from World War II, or
Hopefully-
World War One.
Do they not have this anymore?
Probably taken apart.
Well, that's the crushing. You'd feed the sugar cane in there and crush it all out.
Mm-hmm.
Probably somewhere around here.
Became a romantic tourist site. And then that's when it was Bongo Land.
The Georgia the Jungle. Kidding.
Recreated strange prehistoric monsters.
Isn't that like, didn't they move it? Isn't there one on I-4?
No, yeah, it's still there. That's another place we can go film.
Coming to you soon, Dino Land. Oh, I found her. Hold on. Water garden. Needs a little TLC.
That's some fish.
Yeah.
Little baby fish. And then over here you got a tree head.
Fountain behind. Oh, it's a spitting frog. Let's see.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. How come you don't thank me? You're supposed to thank me every day.
Thank you for your service, pain in the neck husband.
Oh. I feel a little loud, don't you?
And I'm doing it with a smile.
This is a giant something.
It's supposed to be a dinosaur because when they were the amusement park there in the 50s, that was some of the attractions.
I really gotta
With
get
the
it.
rides. It looks like a dinosaur with teeth.
It looks like the dinosaur. The bad copy.
Probably where people get married.
Yeah. That is a live oak tree, and it is huge. All the way there. Even has a little white picket fence around it.
For safety, obviously.
Yeah, no climbing. It's very pretty though. Crank casing.
So what do you think has happened here, or what do you know has happened here, Jamie?
Okay. We're by ourselves anyway.
Yep.
Underneath this section here of this brick is where a fire would be. And underneath these, basically these cauldrons, would be the fire to heat the cauldron. The cauldron would be filled with the molasses from the sugar cane. And there's 4 different sections because it would be basically
What, pouring into each?
well, clarified 4 times before it would make basically raw sugar. So you really can't tell. A lot of this stuff is just rusted. I mean, this one's here. You can see how rusted this panel is, but it would kind of flow down, I guess. And then this one they would...
Yeah, because you can see here where the bricks are moved.
Yeah, I don't know if they would make it flow this one and that one would flow down too, and then so on and so forth.
Yeah. And here's some other
Until it finally
cauldrons.
came to the very last one, and then it would pour out the hole over here. So, and then you could see where the fire was underneath the fire underneath the.
Oh yeah.
I think we can go outside. I think we can see that it was stopped from the stoked from the outside.
Okay. So what is this, Jeremy?
Well, this is a manual one. They would it would be like this, but they'd probably hook up a donkey or a horse or whoever. Just have it walk around in a circle, and they'd come up here. The sugar would drain out of this thing into a pot, and they just basically crush the sugar cane. I think it's seen better days, but I can restore it.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's your next adventure.
Yeah.
This is apparently a new feature of Sugar Mill Gardens. I wonder if any of these are the Travelocity gnomes. That might be him. Right there. Not doing a lot of traveling right now.
Well, we are under quarantine.
Pretty much. There's one there. A walkway down the tree trunk. For deliveries only. Front door, other side. Oh.
There you go.
A couple more over here. Danger route monster area. Oh, there's the root monsters.
They have a little pool.
Oh, they do. Look at that. Little pool area for the gnomes. Gnome tunnel to the Middle Earth. Oh, Jeremy.
See that?
Now you can fulfill your Lord of the Ring dreams. Oh?
My Lord of the Ring dreams?
In Middle Earth, Lord of the Rings?
No.
Oh, what is it? Little seesaw. Building a animal house. Pet house of some kind. Swings. There's their mailbox. And this must be their front door where they've got some people waiting to take care of the delivery. There it is, Gnome Home. Oh, and there's more. There's some more over there.
Go. You guys have to come here if you want to see more. Right, this is Jeremy Wade. Come on, we gotta find the next big thing. Oh, shite, cracky! Look, we found a Triceratops. Look at her. She's majestic.
Should we approach slowly?
Just very slowly. She only eats bugs, but I'll get real close. I can touch her. Ready?
Oh! Oh!
All right. Here we have an example of the human jackass. Can't throw away his trash.
We've come across another dinosaur sighting.
No, I am.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
All right. Gotta be very, very quiet. You can see we got hungry dinosaurs come across.
Look, there's a footprint.
Giant footprints right here. Goes up. Oh, I think I see one now.
Okay.
Very, very quiet. Oh. Oh, she's just munching on some food.
Oh. Interesting.
We have an ancient Indian burial mound right here. Look how big it is. It smells funny because there's lots of dead things in there. So that was Dunlawton Sugar Mill Candyland? What is it?
Bongo Land.
Bongo Land.
Named after a baboon.
The baboon.
Yes, quite a lot of historical things we did not know about this area, but it's pretty neat. I like the Gnome Village. That was my favorite.
Yeah, it was cute.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a history major, so I always like anything with history. So the ruins were kind of cool.
And the making of stuff, like how they made sugar.
Yeah,
which is something you typically don't learn much about.
We got to do DeLeon Springs.
We do, and make some pancakes.
Yes, we will try that.
Mm-hmm.
It's another sugar plantation up in
DeLeon Springs.
DeLeon.
Mm-hmm.
No,
that's further up in Volusia County.
Volusia County, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Which we're in now.
Well, Volusia County's huge, so.
Yes, it is.
Anyway, until next time. See you later. Yeah. Nini, say goodbye.